Villains are some of the most important characters in any Dungeons & Dragons campaign. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect villain in 3 easy steps. Villains can make or break a story. They can be the fuel that drives the plot forward, or they can be the source of all the conflict. It's important to spend some time developing your villain before you start. Step 1 is their background. The first step is to give your villain a backstory. What motivated them to become a villain? Why do they want to take over the world or destroy the heroes? Are they looking to bring back a lost loved one? Are they seeking revenge for something that happened when they were kids? Understanding your villain's backstory will help you create a more believable and relatable character. Unless your villain is an ancient elder god, they probably aren't evil just to be evil. By not doing this, you risk making a one-dimensional character that the players will quickly become bored of. Step 2 is their appearance. How your villain looks can be just as important as their backstory. Their appearance should be intimidating and make the players think twice about taking them on. This can be anything from the way they dress to their physical features or unique identifying characteristics like a scar or a missing eye. What do they look like when they're angry or happy? Creating a unique and memorable appearance will help your party visualize your character and make them even more real to them. And step 3 is their goals. Without clear goals, your villain will flounder. What does your villain want? Why do they want it? How are they going to get it? These are all important questions, and you need to know every one of them because this is how you will make sure that their goals are in direct conflict with the parties, which is what will drive the tension of the entire story. A good villain always has a plan, and they will do whatever it takes to achieve their goals. Keep these 3 steps in mind when you're creating your next Dungeons & Dragons villain. Creating a perfect villain is essential to any good story. By following these 3 steps, you can create a villain that is both believable and engaging. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips helped. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.